the Hamro Sikkim party has labelled a serious allegations against the Sikkim Krantikari Morcha-led government, accusing it of failing miserably to contain the second wave of COVID-19 in Sikkim. Hamro Sikkim party president Bina Basnet slammed the ruling party for allegedly ignoring these suggestions from opposition parties. Basnet further added that the SKM was busy organizing political gatherings, melas, and the COVID situation just got worse in the state. She also said that the state COVID-19 hospital itself became a hotspot as there is no strict monitoring in place. Furthermore, due to unavailability of essential medicines inside the hospital, patients have to send their attendants to procure the same from pharmacies located outside the hospital, Basnet claimed. Basnet, who is a doctor herself, added that in the process of the probability of transmission has increased in and around the hospital. Speaking on measures that can be taken up, Basnet recommended the government to address the issue as a probable focal leak which needs to be identified and sealed. She added that the whole point of a lockdown and checking the systemic leak would go futile if the focal leak is not sealed.
First wave, as we had also given an interview in Northeast Live, that it was unprecedented for everybody. Like nobody knew how to handle it. There was chaos, there was everything. But now when it comes to second wave, we had given suggestions on suggestions to the government. First wave, nobody really criticized the government as such. Mostly the opposition was busy in giving suggestions, doing whatever from the individual as well as organizational level. But now when it comes to second wave, where in the very beginning only we had said that it has to be decentralized. There has to be COVID care center. I mean, they have to be prepared in the micro level. Everywhere in the district, Sikkim being a very small state and people being highly disciplined, planning at the micro level wouldn't have been that difficult. But now, when the second wave has hit Sikkim, I mean, it's a really a sad scenario because when we see the death rate as well as the decline in the recovery rate. So when you see that a mere population of 7 lakhs, now the death rate is, it has gone up to as high as 9 deaths in a day. So it is almost next to Punjab in the death rate every day. And the new cases which is being detected is like never gone below 200 when we just talk about this month. So the scenario here, it's grave. And here the government, we have to blatantly say that the government has really handled it poorly. And if still they don't rise and they don't really work on their plannings and strategize, I think the Sikkim is going to really face a very difficult time.
And it may be mentioned that the High Court had recently taken cognizance of the lack of hospital beds and infra in Sikkim amidst the second wave. The Himalayan state reported 249 positive cases and 3 COVID-related casualties in the last 24 hours. The active tally in the state currently stands at 3,122 at the moment.